Hi there, I'm Alex Zapp, the fearless leader of ZAPTEST. Imagine of me as a tech wizard who not just predicts software hurricane, but also decided to surf it. With over 20 years of conjuring up tech marvels, I've been turning up software testing into something more than just code and clicks. But wait, there's more. I'm not just a master of ZAPTEST, I'm also part of Forbes Technology Council and proud member of Gartner TechCEO. That's right, I hang out with big brains, exchanging high fives in the hallways of tech innovation. Now let's talk beyond testing, my upcoming gig at TestGuild. It's not just the average tech talk. This is your front row ticket to the future of software automation, where we combine test automation with robotic process automation. It's like creating the tech superhero, and guess what? This superhero could be you. So are you ready to join a league of extraordinary techies? Let's shake up the world of software automation together. It's going to be insightful, a tad humorous, and absolutely epic. Mark your calendar, bring your superhero cape, and I'll see you at the TestGuild Trade Show.